we're here with EV West in San Diego, makers of high-performance electric vehicles. This is their 1995 M3 race car. I should say what's left of it. They've ripped out all of BMW's running gear and replaced it with twin 11-inch engines made by Warp. This thing's going up Pikes Peak Hill Climb. Boris Said's the named driver, although with the race change, we'll see what happens. We got burnout cams, we got in cams, and we're going to take this thing for a ride. Michael Bream's coming with me because I don't know how to operate this thing. I've driven regular cars with stick shifts, but it's like Star Wars in here. So, you know, I'm going to need some help because numbers come up on the dash that say volts and amps and warning lights. I don't know what they mean. Let's all face it. We've all been in golf carts and scared the hell out of our friends. And what's that, like 10 horsepower? This should be interesting. Oh, this thing is comfy, man. My cars are so small. Okay. All right, so I've never been in an electric car before other than golf carts. So this is like my master switch. Turn this on, this powers on the traction pack. Is that fair? Okay. So traction pack on. And then now I come over to Star Wars over here and flip the starter and the ignition up.
Yep.
Flip this up.
Yep.
Whoa. Yeah, dude. Hey, nice job on making this thing easy with throttle response. Oh my god, is that the tire burning out? Wow! Oh my god, dude! Oh. Dude, it just surges! Oh my god! Look at that, it pulls away from a stop line, no big deal. Oh, this thing's awesome. Jesus, dude. It's so smooth, just surges. A surge of adrenaline. Like, I don't get that often anymore. Like, you know, your fingertips get light and your foot pedal's a little nervous.